Hello and welcome or welcome back to the Simply.Digital YouTube channel. I'm Kate and I'm just here to wish you a happy holidays. This is a busy time of year. There's so much to get done for the big day. And I just want to remind everyone that Christmas isn't just the 25th, it's a whole season. Baking the Christmas cookies is just as special as eating them, and decorating the Christmas tree is just as special as admiring the finished product. We all know this, but when your head is full of stuff you have to do, Christmas starts to feel more like a deadline than a culmination of all the traditions and celebrations. So it's cliche, but as often as you need, take a breath and remind yourself to be in the moment. It might seem like being super organized means living in the future rather than the present, but I actually think it's the opposite. Many productivity systems bring up the idea of not using your brain for storage, not relying on your memory or your willpower. And when you have picked the productivity and organization systems that work for you, I do believe that your mind will be more clear, and you'll be more able to achieve that ideal state of being, living in the moment. You're not regularly trying to remind yourself about anything. You're not always going, oh, I should really do that. Everything is written down in the right place, and your mind is clear as you execute on your plan. You hopefully also finished all of your tasks that could be done ahead of time, so you're not overwhelmed now. It's pretty easy to be in the moment when it's a beautiful setting and everything's in place. It's harder when everything is half done and you're running around trying to catch up. So make sure you have a good plan for getting ready for these holidays. If you don't already, I have a video for planning your December that I'll put on the screen at the end of this video. And looking forward to the new year, subscribe to the channel, and I'll show you all kinds of productivity and organization systems so you can pick the right ones that work for you. Continue your journey to that nirvanic state of having your life organized and being in control of your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a truly wonderful holiday season filled with special moments, and I'll see you next time.